Right, so what we're doing here in step 4 is that you want to lead with the results. So you've written your statement to call out your audience, and then you want to straight away let them be reassured that you get the results that you say you do, and that you are able to help them. And so we do this by talking about some sort of win that you've had with a previous client. So you want to get their attention, pick some sort of wow outcome, think about people you've worked with and one of the outcomes that you got for them. You can use jargon in here if that's appropriate to your audience. So again, looking at their language and how they describe things. If there's a time frame within your offer, you can talk about that here. And ideally, what you want to do is show that you got someone a quick win. So, if you've got a coaching program that lasts 3 months, you want to maybe show that somebody got a result within the first 30 days, because people want to be reassured that they're going to get something tangible happening, within a time frame that feels realistic. And then type back to your opening sentence where possible. So let's just look at the templates that we've got here. So, a couple here that you can use for inspiration, and then some examples of putting it together. So we could do something like in just time frame. So in this example, after just 1 week, or in just 12 weeks, or within 3 months of working together. Talk about what the outcome was. So my client bagged a new client off the back of the new sales post that we crafted together. In fact, I think I reworded that. Yeah. So let me just take that for you, because I edited it a bit differently. And don't be scared to edit, write things and keep re-editing. It's all part of the process. So after just 1 week, the big outcome is a client of mine enrolled a brand new client off the back of the new sales post that we crafted together. So this is a win that someone got after enrolling my program and going through a process similar to what we're going through now. So another example here, so this was in my fitness client. So in just 12 weeks, one client lost enough weight and kept it off that she went off on holiday with a suitcase full of new clothes. So this is an actual result that his clients get. They see a big change in their weight and in their bodies in a relatively short period of time. And this was, again, it was language. This is a way that one of the women in his program had described that, the win for her wasn't just like I've lost weight. It's like I've gone off on holiday and I've got a whole new suitcase full of new clothes, because, she looks different, she feels different, and she's reflecting that in what she's wearing on holiday. And so this becomes very emotional language that people can connect to, which is why it's so good to sort of mind what your audience is saying and how they describe things. So another example here is, within 3 months of working together, a client of mine is finally sleeping through the night instead of being constantly woken up by anxiety. So again, we've got the big outcome for whatever this program is and the time frame that something happened. So again, over to you. Grab the templates for inspiration and play around with this. It shouldn't take you too long. Again, it's just one sentence. Then when you're happy with it, bring it to the call, we can work through it, and then you're popping it here to lead with the results. And a little reminder of this is where it goes and this is how it looks.